Are you a new YouTuber starting in 2025? Or you're an existing YouTuber and you are struggling with views on your channel? This video is for you. In this tutorial, I am going to be telling you how to create catchy and stunning YouTube thumbnails with Canva app for free. Yes, you can create catchy YouTube thumbnails with Canva app without even using the Canva Pro. Now, watch this tutorial to the end.
So the first thing you do is to open your Canva app. You can do that on your mobile phone or laptop. Then when you do that, log into your account and then you go to the search bar and then you type YouTube thumbnail because that is what you want to work on. When you do that, it will bring options for you. Click on YouTube thumbnail and then it will bring you to this page whereby you see all the designs you've worked on and the templates that you can pick from. There are many templates on this Canva that you can pick from, but I'm going to be picking this particular template. So when you click on it, it will bring you to this page, and there are other options also that will come with this in case you want to change your mind. Then you click on this customize template and it will bring you to another page where you make your edits. So this is where you change whatever the fonts, the color, the pictures and all. So I'm going to be using another picture for this, and because this picture, it has to be a picture with no background, I have that already, which I am going to input into the design now. You can actually use a picture with background and edit it using Canva, but that is if you are using the Canva Pro. But I already edited the background before importing the picture to Canva. So I did that by inputting the picture into the design and then enlarging it to make it, bigger on the page. And then I need to work on my fonts and edit all the things that are there because this is not this is not my topic, right? So I need to change it, move it away so it won't move close to my body. So I'm going to be inputting my topic here: how to create catchy YouTube thumbnail. Yes, so that is my topic and I'm going to type it in now. Make sure you pay attention to the sign that this thing is showing you, because when you are making edits and it's not aligning with the barriers that Canva edits is showing you, then your design is not working well. So this star, I am going to move it to another place because my picture was covering it. I could not edit it. So I had to move it out and then bring it back in so that I can make the adjustment and make it smaller instead of the normal size that it was. So here I have changed the the font and made changes on the edit. So now this picture is looking too dull. It's looking dull. So I'm going to come here. You come here, go to the edit, come here, and then you see different kind of effects that you can use for your pictures. So I'm going to try out one of the effects that blends with the background and also the colors on the design. So I'm just trying out all the effects there, so you can see that there are many effects you can use for whatsoever you want to change. So this is the black and white, but I'm going to be using this particular one, yes, to blend with everything. And after that, you cross check if there's any changes you need to make, and if there is no change, you go ahead to save. But before you save, you need to change your title, which is very, very important. Some people don't change title, but I change title so it will be easier for me to find in my file on my laptop, in my document. So you come to this place that says here and then you click on download. This PNG format is the best to download, and then it will automatically save to your file, to your documents on your laptop. So you can go to your file explorer and then pick it from there.